Alright, this is the air gun that we made. Alright, there's a few things that you're going to need first. Number one, probably going to need a bike tie valve, like that. And you can just get that out of like an old bike, something, an old bike tie. Next one, you're going to need a Coke bottle, like any Coke bottle, or probably plastic, any bottle. You're going to need a coupling that screws onto the Coke bottle, and you're going to need a converter from that size to a ball valve size, or whatever the one you want. And yeah, and you're going to need some pipe. So and that has thread on the end. Alright? And you need thread seal tape as well, so you put that on everything that has thread. Alright, we'll take it outside for a demo. Alright, what you need to do, you need to put that on there. If you've got a foot pump, it's easier. Alright, and we'll pump it up to about 20 psi. Make sure the valve's closed. Pump it up to 30. Oh, that's right. Alright. As you can see, it's 30. There you go, it's 30. Alright, yes. Just count that. I've already got something in there. Go on.
Thank you for watching.